My name is Sonal Kumar. I'm a Year 2 student of Bachelor of Nursing.
Hi, I'm Kavein Amaya. I'm a first year MBBS student.
Hi everyone, my name is Devesh Swami. I'm a MABS 2 student.
Hi, my name is Paul Tundrav. I'm a second year diploma plant from their campus.
Hi, my name is Shweta Shimangni Kumar. I'm a first year LLB student.
Hi, my name is Arjun Maharaj and I'm a first year foundation student doing foundation science in Nambua campus.
Before joining ELH program, I had difficulties in literature review and paraphrasing. After joining ELH program, I am well versed with the research work as well as oral presentation. I would recommend this ELH program to all the students who have difficulties in research work, also with their assignments, because the student success specialist is very welcoming and very patient.
I recommend the hub to my fellow colleagues as it is free of charge and it is helpful and it provides a lot of information needed for schoolwork.
I came to know of this ELH program through the promotional PR sent in the emails. This has helped me in terms of my presentation skills and the comprehension of my guides' questions. I would definitely recommend this to everyone since the facilitator is really friendly.
With the help of specialists and resources that were available, I was able to improve my comprehension skills.
Before joining the hub, I had problems with my referencing skills. I would definitely recommend this program to my friends because I know they are struggling with their assignments as well. I'm really happy with the programs that are provided by the ELH resources on Moodle since I can always look back to what's provided by them whenever I can't understand what the lecturer is saying.
What do I like about this service is people are very friendly in this. They are very helpful and kind and they understand how their students are and they are able to help in that way.
Take it off.